My child, you feel distant from the one you love, don't you? Your heart aches, yet you sense their heart turning away. Listen closely, for this is not just about them, it's about your soul. I am the Lord your God, and I see all things, even the habits you try to hide. Today, I need you to hear this truth. Someone who cares deeply for you has noticed a pattern in your life, a behavior that wounds them and casts shadows over your bond. They've prayed for change, they've wrestled with love and frustration, and now they are at a breaking point. This moment is not one of condemnation but of awakening. Do you understand the gift that love truly is? It is fragile, yet strong. It is simple, yet complex. It reflects the heart of my design for humanity, a mirror of my eternal love for you. And when I give you love through another person, I am entrusting you with something sacred, something to be cherished, nurtured, and guarded. But my child, there is a breach in the walls of this relationship. A habit, a behavior, or a pattern has slipped in, a shadow that grows larger with every passing day. It whispers lies to your heart, convincing you that this is just who you are, that it's not a big deal, or that it's the other person's fault for not understanding you. Yet, deep down, you know the truth. This habit is hurting them, and it's hurting you. Do you remember the first time you felt the weight of this habit? Perhaps it began small, a fleeting action, a careless word, or an unchecked desire. But over time, it has grown roots, weaving itself into your daily life until it feels inseparable from who you are. But hear me clearly, this habit does not define you. I am the one who defines you, and I have not created you to be bound by anything that leads to destruction. My beloved, I have placed someone in your life who loves you deeply. They see you not just for your flaws, but for your potential. They believe in the goodness within you, even when you struggle to see it yourself. But they are human, and their heart is not unbreakable. Their love, as strong as it may be, cannot withstand an unyielding wall of harmful behavior forever. They have cried out to me in their frustration, in their hurt, in their longing for you to change. And I, who hear every prayer, am speaking to you now because the time for change is here. You may feel defensive at this moment. You may think, but Lord, they have habits too. They hurt me too. And while that may be true, this message is not about them. It is about you. Do not let the faults of another become an excuse to ignore your own. I am speaking to your heart because I see what is possible when you choose humility, repentance, and transformation. Do you know what repentance truly means? It is not merely saying, I'm sorry. It is a complete turning away from what is wrong and a turning toward what is right. It is a recognition that your actions have caused harm, followed by a deep desire to make things right. It is not motivated by fear of loss, but by love, a love that reflects my own sacrifice for you. Remember this, love is not passive. It is not a feeling that comes and goes with the tides of emotion. Love is active. It requires effort, sacrifice, and intentionality. When I walked this earth, I showed you the ultimate example of love. I gave everything for you, even unto death, so that you might have life and freedom. And now I'm asking you to follow my example. I'm asking you to lay down this habit, this behavior, for the sake of love. What is this habit, my child? Is it anger that flares up and wounds the one you love? Is it neglect, where your attention is drawn away from them and toward lesser things? Is it dishonesty, where truth is hidden and trust is eroded? Or is it selfishness, where your needs and desires overshadow their well-being? Whatever it is, I already know it. And I am not here to shame you, but to free you. Freedom is what I came to give you. Freedom from sin, from shame, from the chains that bind you. But freedom requires surrender. You must let go of this habit, placing it at my feet, and allow me to work in your heart. Do you trust me to do that? Do you believe that I have the power to transform you, even in this? There will be moments when it feels difficult, when the pull of old patterns seems too strong to resist. But in those moments, remember this: you are not alone. My Spirit is within you, giving you strength, wisdom, and perseverance. Lean on me. Cry out to me. I will never leave you nor forsake you. And as you begin to change, let your actions speak louder than your words. Apologies are important, but they are only the beginning. Show the one you love that you are committed to growth. Be patient with them as they heal, and be patient with yourself as you learn. Growth is a process, and it takes time. But every step you take toward healing is a step closer to the fullness of love I desire for you. Do not underestimate the power of love to restore what is broken. I am the God of redemption, and I delight in bringing beauty from ashes. If you choose humility and repentance, if you choose to fight for this relationship, I will bless your efforts. I will pour my grace upon you, giving you the strength to do what you cannot do on your own. Love is a transformative force, capable of healing the deepest wounds and bridging the widest gaps. It is through love that we find the courage to face our flaws, the strength to overcome our shortcomings, and the wisdom to grow beyond our limitations. By embracing love, you are opening your heart to the possibility of change, to the promise of a better future, and to the hope that your relationship can be restored and renewed. In moments of doubt and despair, remember that love is not a fleeting emotion, but a steadfast commitment. It requires patience, understanding, and perseverance. It demands that you look beyond the surface and see the true essence of the person you love, recognizing their inherent worth and potential. By committing to love, you are choosing to see the good in them and to believe in their capacity for growth and change. As you embark on this journey of transformation, be mindful of the words you speak and the actions you take. Words have the power to uplift or to wound, to inspire or to discourage. Choose your words carefully and let them be a reflection of the love and respect you have for the person you cherish. Actions, too, speak volumes. Let your actions demonstrate your commitment to change, your willingness to make amends, and your dedication to nurturing the relationship. It is important to remember that growth is a process, not an event. It takes time, effort, and persistence. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but do not be discouraged. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the person you aspire to be and the relationship you desire to have. Celebrate your progress, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward with determination and hope. In the midst of this journey, do not forget to show compassion and forgiveness, both to yourself and to the person you love. Recognize that you are both human with strengths and weaknesses, and that growth is often accompanied by moments of vulnerability and imperfection. Extend grace to one another and be patient as you navigate the complexities of change. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages and uplifts you. Seek out those who share your commitment to growth and who can offer guidance, wisdom, and encouragement. Lean on your faith and draw strength from the knowledge that you are not alone in this journey. I am with you, and my love is a constant source of support and inspiration. As you continue to grow and change, let your relationship be a testament to the power of love and the possibility of transformation. Let it inspire others to embark on their own journeys of growth and renewal. By choosing love, you are not only healing your relationship, but also creating a ripple effect that can touch the lives of those around you. Remember that love is a gift, and it is meant to be cherished and nurtured. It is a source of joy, comfort, and connection. By choosing to fight for your relationship, you are honoring the gift of love and acknowledging its profound impact on your life. Embrace this opportunity to grow, to heal, and to build a relationship that is rooted in love, respect, and mutual understanding. In conclusion, do not underestimate the power of love to restore what is broken. Choose humility, repentance, and transformation. Embrace the journey of growth with patience, perseverance, and hope. Extend compassion and forgiveness to yourself and to the person you love. Surround yourself with a supportive community and draw strength from your faith. Let your relationship be a testament to the transformative power of love and inspire others to embark on their own journeys of growth and renewal. Remember that with love, all things are possible. Take this moment to reflect deeply on the commitment you are making. Pray for guidance, for strength, and for the unwavering belief that change is possible. Allow your heart to be softened by my love and let it guide your actions and decisions. Remember that every step you take toward healing is a step closer to the fullness of love that I desire for you. As you journey forward, continue to seek my presence in your life. Let my spirit fill you with wisdom, courage, and perseverance. Trust that I am working within you, transforming your heart and guiding your steps. Lean on me in moments of weakness and celebrate with me in moments of triumph. Together, we will navigate the challenges and celebrate the victories that come with choosing love. And as you walk this path, know that you are never alone. My love for you is unchanging and eternal. It is this love that calls you to be more, to do more, and to reflect my image in all that you do. Embrace the transformative power of love and let it guide you toward a life of fullness, joy, and deep connection. Go forth with confidence, my child, and let the power of love transform your life. Together, we will build a relationship that is stronger, deeper, and more fulfilling than you ever imagined possible. This is the promise of love, and it is yours to embrace. Now go, and let my love lead the way. Now I ask you again, will you choose love over pride? Will you choose growth over comfort? Will you choose to fight for what matters most? Do not let fear hold you back. Do not let the enemy convince you that it's too late or that you're not capable of change. With me, all things are possible. Take this moment to reflect. Pray to me. Open your heart and let my spirit reveal the truth to you. And as you do, remember that my love for you is unchanging. Even in your mistakes, even in your struggles, I love you with an everlasting love. It is this love that calls you to be more, to do more, to reflect my image in all that you do. Subscribe to the Gospel Connection and let the message of hope and transformation guide you every step of the way. You are not alone, my child. I am with you always. Now go and let my love transform your life.